Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to plant some sweet potato slips. Let's get started. We're planting 3 different varieties: Murasaki, Okinawan, and Beauregard. I have prepared my garden beds by laying out some string lines. I have a total of 48 plant sites, and they're going to be put in 2 4x8 raised beds. I'm planting on 12-foot centers, with the rows spaced 16 inches apart. Here is a close-up of the roots. Here are some Beauregards. Here's some Murasaki, pardon me. And here are some Okinawans. Next step is to add some fertilizer. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in each planting site. Now let's water in the fertilizer. I'm going to use this piece of rebar to make holes about 4 inches deep. Now we plant a slip in each hole. Now I'm going to compact the soil around each slip. Now let's water in the slips so they have the best chance of survival. They need plenty of moisture. Double check the drip irrigation is functioning properly. All done. I planted a total of 45 slips. Let's see how they do. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you liked it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll continue to keep you updated on the progress of the garden. Thanks for watching.